The Migrant Worker Hub. Working abroad is not easy. It can be tough to find local resources that can help you during your stay in Canada. So, we made a list of organizations that can assist you by providing different services. The Migrant Worker Community Program is a charity organization established in 2002 that helps migrant workers to navigate the Canadian system as well as bringing them into the community. Services: English classes, Spanish classes, interpretation and translation, health information, online webinar, community outreach, late evening services, mental health support, Canadian pension plan, insurance reimbursement, organizing recreational events. Services available in English, Spanish, and Tagalog. Law. Legal Assistance of Windsor. Legal Assistance of Windsor provides legal and social work advocacy and support to low-income individuals, migrant workers, and non-status people across Windsor and Essex County in areas including immigration, housing, and social benefits. Immigration supports include legal education, information and consultation on temporary residence permits, open work permits, refugee and humanitarian and compassionate applications for permanent residence. Their goal is to help people ensure accurate information and legal representation is available to migrant workers and undocumented people. Newcomers in Canada. Newcomers Canada is a dedicated online resource. They offer information to help new arrivals, foreign workers, and international students connect with providers of employment, education, immigration, and settlement services in Canada. Family Services. Family Services Windsor Essex is a non-profit charitable organization serving Windsor and Essex County. They help people to restore the ability to choose their own place in the world through counseling and individual support services. For organizations of all sizes, they offer employee assistance programs and wellness solutions. Counseling. Walk-in counseling clinic, counseling appointments, group counseling, neurofeedback, virtual mental wellness workshop. Support service, housing connections, Essex County Homelessness Hub, voluntary response, elder abuse, adults protective service worker, avenues. Latinos Positivos. The main goal at Latinos Positivos Toronto is to accompany and aid people from Latin America who live with HIV. They are part of Toronto PWA, People with AIDS. Therefore, they act as a bridge between their community and their previously mentioned organization. They seek to assist people living with diagnosis and those who have just received it. Philippine Consulate. Services: issuance of passport, travel document, issuance of visa, notarized NBI clearance, notarized driving certificate. Migrant Worker Office, MWO. Polo Toronto is the Philippines Department of Labor and Employment's DOLE, overseas operating arm in the implementation of the Philippine labor policies and programs for the protection of the rights and promotion of the welfare and interests of Filipinos working in Canada, especially in the provinces of Ontario, Manitoba, Quebec, Newfoundland and Labrador, Prince Edward Island, Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, and Nunavut. Mexican Consulate in Leamington. They offer different paperwork and assistance to Mexicans, such as passports, criminal records, certificates, documents legalization, civil registration, credential to vote, notarial acts. We hope that all this information will be helpful and useful to you. Please know these are only some of the resources available to you. There are more based on what you need support on. We understand all this information can sometimes be overwhelming. You can also reach out to us and we can direct to you finding out which resource works the best for you. We can be your first mode of contact.